Hello friends, Doris again. Now I will introduce another one popular machinery, that is HX2000 Automatic Ribbon Inserting Machine. Here you can see, for this machine we have two different kinds of feeding system. Two different. That one is the offline version. Another is, here is the inline version. Inline versions. Now you can see this one is the offline feeding system. When the book block was put in here automatically by the feeding system, then the machine made our book block cutting the ribbon and then inserting the ribbon. Next, we do the spray gluing by this machine. The fastest speed is 45 pieces per minute. 45 pieces per minute. This machine is very popular for our overseas customers. Last year, we exported to UK and to Poland. Our European customers like this machine very much. We got very good feedback from customers, and it increased customers' production activities, and it was saved the labor cost well. If you want to learn more information about this machine, please feel free to contact with me, Doris from HXCP.